As you've seen by doing these problems, they're pretty cumbersome using a pencil. In most applications, we use technology to help us solve these, so you can go to this site here, WolframAlpha, and use their technology engine to solve systems of equations. Now, when you first go to the site, this is what you're going to see. A blank field right here, and write what it says. Enter what you want to calculate or know about. So it does more than just computation. It does lots of things. You can explore that later. Right now we want to show two ways that you can type in a system and get a solution. Here's a pretty straightforward way. Just type in solve, type in the first equation, comma, second equation, comma, and third equation. All right, be careful that you actually get commas between those equations. And it's a good idea, I think, to use solve. If you don't say solve, WolframAlpha will do it, but it will do a bunch of other things too, because it doesn't know for sure what you want. Then press enter or equals, and then WolframAlpha will think for a while, and then it will come up with this right here. That's going to be an interpretation. It's going to tell you, here is what I think you asked me to solve. So just check it against what you actually think you put in, and then it will give you the answers right down here. And here is yet another way to use WolframAlpha. What you can do is RREF, right? So you can do an RREF on this. Now, be careful how you do that. That first set of parentheses here is going to open the matrix. So that one goes with this one, and then you have separate square brackets for each row, and they're separated by commas. So again, you press enter or return, and it comes back with what it thinks that you want, right? Is that what you want? Is that what you want to do? Do you want to row reduce this matrix? And if that's true, then here's your result, right? So it gives you the result right here. And then you can read it off as, right, x equals 1, y equals 1, z equals 1. So you have to interpret the result.